It looks like we are getting a Pixel 3 XL Lite along with a small rounded one that we've seen before. McLaren and OnePlus salute to speed is now official, and boy is it a beast after all. And new leaks of the Galaxy S10 confirm that there is one variant with a very interesting flat screen. I'm Jaime Rivera, and the noise you hear is of rain outside. It's very noisy. And the second one is of me coughing all day. It's been bad. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. The official news today begin with Huawei making their punch hole smartphone official. This is actually going to be a topic of choice for the podcast this week, punch holes in phones. The Nova 4 goes live, and it's rather interesting because the Nova lineup never really had the best high-end specifications, and now we've got the Kirin 980 powering this phone in addition to 6 gigs of RAM. We expect a full launch on December 17th. We'll keep you posted. Now let's talk about the OnePlus Sixty McLaren Edition. If you have not watched our unboxing, it is epic. It is highly worth it for you to invest 5 minutes to see what you're getting for $699. 10 gigs of RAM, a faster protocol for charging, and a beautiful design. And my God, again, the unboxing experience was just probably one of the best with AR experiences and a ton of other things. Again, watch the video. Now let's talk about the Nokia 9 PureView, as for the first time ever, the company actually talks about the existence of this phone. German PR just pretty much confirmed that, yes, there's a phone with so many cameras that looks rather interesting, but that the company hasn't really been able to nail the software and hardware just right, and that's the reason why we're still waiting, and apparently we'll have to wait until MWC, but I think that that's actually perfect timing for a launch. I need some time off for more phone reviews. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10, the rumors that keep on coming. I actually decided to not leave them for the hot ones because there are just too many right now. But yeah, Infinity O display on the smaller 5.8-inch variant seems to be a possibility. We see that the curves on the display pretty much, I mean, this looks like a, just the curvier design, but it looks so plain, just so minimalistic that, my God, being able to differentiate galaxies is going to be rather interesting. That being said, let us know what you think about this design in the comments. And finally, the hot news today have to do with pixels, as apparently Google is not done with the amount of phones we've already seen. We've noticed that the company did the whole entry-level Moto X4 thingy, but apparently there are 2 Pixels in the works, XL and Pixel 3 Lite, I guess. XL Lite, I guess. Snapdragon 670 processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage. There's a 12 megapixel primary camera, and we're actually wondering, is it going to be that we're going to have watered down specifications on a premium mid-ranger, but we're still going to get the photography? Let us know in the comments down below what do you think about this idea, because again, for me, if this is going to be significantly less expensive and bring great photos, following on the Pixel name, then sure, I'm all down for it. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. And friends, before we end this video, we'd like to thank the Huawei Mate 20 Pro for making our content possible today. Huawei's unique combination of hardware and software ensure the phone is born fast and stays fast. The new 7nm Kirin 980 processor delivers 75% better CPU performance and 58% more power efficiency. Follow the link in the description below to learn why the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is so cool. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.